Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to perform Agnihotra Yagna, what actually is Agnihotra Yagna and what are the components needed to do Agnihotra Yagna and how to arrange them and what are the timings to be followed for it. So Agnihotra Yagna is also known as a Sun Yagna. This Yagna is performed twice in a day, one during the sunrise and one is during the sunset. So we all know that energy is neither created nor destroyed. Energy can get transformed. So this yagna depends on this physics principle because we all know that energy transforms from higher potential energy to lower potential energy. So sun yagna is like when I mix up certain 5 to 6 components, they make equivalent to 64 components of the sun. Now sun is at higher potential energy and this yagna is at lower potential energy. So when I fire it, the higher potential energy from the sun gets transformed to lower potential energy of this yagna. And whenever I speak or chant certain mantras, the frequency is generated. So the energy travels on that particular frequency and it gives benefit in and around 3 kilometers and above the sky limit of 12 to 14 kilometers. Also, this yagna helps you to eliminate radiations from your life. It provides a cover against the radiations. We all know that we cannot eliminate mobiles or we cannot eliminate network from our life. But what we can do is we can immunize at a higher level to our body so that those radiations don't affect really. And I really guarantee you that if this yagna done every day, twice, it will eliminate all the medicines of your life and your all the energy points, those 7 chakras will get unblocked. So first of all, let me describe you the component. The first component you need to use is the cow dung. These cow dungs are the first component which is used in this yagna is the cow dung. This cow dung is available ready-made in the shops of Pathmeda or it is easily available on Amazon as a kit of Agnihotra Yagna. The second component is the guggal, which we have to drop in between the cow dung arrange. The third component is the rice. The rice has to be full rice and we'll have to mix this rice with the cow ghee, a small pinch of cow ghee and ensure to separate into 2 pinches because we are going to give 2 ahuti from it. So now I am going to lit one of the cut cow dung with the matchstick and this lit cow dung has to be placed in the middle so that entire fire gets lit up from all the cow dung. Om Ganeshaya Namaha Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabham Nirvignam Gurume Devo Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Om Ganeshaya Namaha. First of all, we will have to ensure that the entire yagna lightens up and entire yagna catches the proper fire so that we can give the ahuti 2 times. Now, basically we will have to ensure that timings of the yagna. So, you will have to go to google.com and search out what is today's sunrise time or what is today's sunset time. So, supposing today's sunrise time is 6:07 AM IST, then I'll have to light up the yagna by 6 AM so that it entirely catches the fire before 6-7 AM. So at the time of giving ahuti, it should have caught the fire properly so that ahuti can be given and those components get mixed properly. So timing has to be punctual. Every day sunrise or sunset has a one minute of difference in each of the zone. So basically in the morning time when you give the ahuti, it is Om Suryaya Swaha Suryaya Idanna Namaha Om Prajapate Swaha Prajapate Idanna Namaha. In the evening time, the first ahuti changes because the sun sets. So, Om Agnaya Swaha Agnaya Idanna Namaha. Om Prajapate Swaha Prajapate Idanna Namaha. So, evening has two ahuti with one front mantra separate, and morning has two ahuti with two mantras. Then it is 11 times the Sanjeevani mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Pratyarmakshe Yamamradat. If you don't know to chant, you can play it in your mobiles or any speaker. Slowly you will learn that. The second mantra is the Gayatri mantra. Om Bhurvasvaha Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. So again, if you don't know to chant this, you can just put it on the speaker and slowly you will start learning. The third mantra is a combination of the Gayatri mantra and the Sanjeevani mantra. That is Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha, then Om Trayambakam Yajamahe, Tastar Vitur Varenyam, Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, Urvarukamiva Bandhana, Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat, Mrutyor Mokshi Yamamrita. So that's the mixture. And at last we have Om Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Om Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Om Buddham Sharanam Gacchami for 3 times. And then you can fold your index finger and the thumb with this Jnana Mudra, put it on the thigh and relax in front of the yagna, slightly upturned face for 10 minutes.